Solar cell content. Introduction, principle of solar cell, construction of solar cell, working, types, generation, advantages and disadvantages. Last, introduction. Solar cell is a photovoltaic device that convert the light energy into electrical energy. This device works on the principle of photovoltaic device. The generation of voltage across the p-n junction is the semiconductor due to the absorption of light radiation is called photovoltaic effect. The device based on the effect is called photovoltaic. Principle of solar cell. The solar cell are based on the principle of photovoltaic effect. The photovoltaic effect is the photo generation of charge carries in a light absorbing material as a result of absorption of the light radiation. And this is upper side n-type and lower side p-type semiconductor, and this is the p-n junction. It is connected to upper p side to n side, and solar radiation strike on the upper side. Construction of solar cell. Solar cell crystalline silicon consists of n-type semiconductor emitter and p-type semiconductor is a base. The two layers are sandwiched and hence there is a formation of p-n junction. The surface is coated with anti-reflection coating to avoid the loss of incident light energy due to the reflection. A proper metal contacts are made on the n-type and p-type side the semiconductor for electrical connection. Working of solar cell. When the solar panel exposed to sunlight, the light energies are absorbed by the semiconductor material. These are the sunlight, cover glass, transparent adhesive and the anti-reflection coating. Then the light goes to here. This is the n-type junction. N-type and this is the p-type semiconductor. N-type and this is p-type, and this is the back contact substrate, and the current flows from here to through load here. Due to this absorbed energy, the electrons are liberated and produce the external DC current. So the electron free electron available due to absorption of sunlight and flows where the n-type to p-type, where vacancy of electron created in p-type. The DC current is converted into 240 volt AC current using an inverter. Difference application. And this is a DC current. Types of solar cell. Based on the types of crystal used, solar cell can be classified as monocrystalline, polycrystalline, amorphous. The monocrystalline silicon cell is produced from the pure silicon, single crystal, sin. Monocrystalline silicon is pure and defect free. The efficiency of cell will be higher. Then polycrystalline solar cell, liquid silicon is used as a raw material, and polycrystalline silicon was obtained followed by the solidification process, and then material contain various crystalline sites. Hence the efficiency of the type of cell is less than monocrystalline cell. Amorphous silicon was obtained by deposition silicon films on the substrate like glass plate. The layer thickness amounts of less than 1 micrometer, the thickness of a human hair, or comparison to 50 to 100 micrometer. The efficiency of amorphous cell is much lower than that of the other two cell type. As a result, they are used mainly in low power equipment such as watches, pockets, calculator or pocket element. Comparison of two types of solar cell material: monocrystalline, poly and amorphous. These are the efficiencies: 14 to 17, 13 to 57. Advantages of solar cell. clean and non-polluting, renewable, do not produce noise, very little maintenance, long life, fuel cost, no fuel cost, disadvantages, very expensive, energy has to be stored in batteries, air pollution, they need large of the land to produce more efficient power supply, sun does not shine consistently at night, sun is not available, less efficient and costly equipment, reliability depends on the application is domestic power supply, electric power generation is space, drying agriculture product, solar pumps, water supply, water heating, generating electric power and to provide electrical power.